How to use Powtoon tutorial for beginners. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on Powtoon, how you can create professional videos without the agency price tag. So let's get into it. First of all, what you can do is you can go to powtoon.com and you will get right here on this website. Powtoon is actually one of the most famous platform out there to create visual presentations, to create animations and much more. It allows us to create professional videos without paying a professional editor, and we can sign up for free. Signing up process is really easy. Once you get to the website, you can click on sign up. You can sign up with your email address or you can use your Google or Facebook account. After the initial sign up or sign into your Powtoon, this is where you will get, and you can see it's completely free. I signed up for free and we will be able to use all of these different features. You can see on Powtoon we have this create option, and then we have templates, import and blank. And then we have some of the templates available. In the template section, you will be able to see personalized templates. We have invitation and holidays, we have video CVs, presentations. And similarly, we have business templates, educational templates that we can use for personal, and we can also use it for our office work, and we have our employee engagement. So these are some of the different, niches and different categories that we get on Powtoon. So you can use it for personal and work needs. Let's go ahead and create an invitation. So I'm going to select this template. Here we are getting some of the templates. Again, we can choose our niche and then we can select what kind of design you want to create. So we have invitation and holidays, and we have some of the templates here. We can scroll down to explore. Let's actually create a greeting for Christmas. So I'm going to go ahead and check this one out. We can create presentation videos, intro videos, invitation videos on Powtoon really easily. So we can click on edit in studio. So this is the inside of our Powtoon editor. You can see we have edit option, create. At the top of the screen, we have the name of the video that we will be creating, the title. Then it will show you your canvas here, where we will be able to add different, elements from here. This is our scene that we have selected. So at this side of the screen, you will be able to see different elements such as the background. Then we have text, characters, props, shapes, images, videos, music, and more. So we can add text to a video using Powtoon. We can add characters, we can add shapes, even videos and photos. So you can see this is a pretty well created scene right here. We have different elements here. We have our text, and this is what it looked like if I play it for you guys. So you can see it also has music and it has two scenes. We have the first scene for the greetings, and then we have this one right here. These are two scenes that are already created. Let me actually show you how to create a scene from the scratch. So you click on right here to add a new scene. You can see at this side of the screen, we have two scenes already. This is going to be the third one. Here we have our canvas and we have watermark if you're using the free version. First of all, what we can do is we can change the background. So we can upload a background image. We can select from the stock footage that we have here, or what we can do is we can pick a color. What I'm going to do is we are creating for this one. So I'm going to go with the same color that we have for our already created scenes. You can select a blank color, or you can see if I scroll down a little bit, we have some free images and stock footage. And then we can have the upload option here where you will upload your photos or videos. Once it's done, I'm going to add a text now. So the text for this one, we can add a title, subtitle, or a body text. So I'm going to go with add a title. And let's actually create like a thank you slide at the end. So I'm going to go ahead and edit the text. Okay, so I have written thank you. Let's change the color for our text, and I'm going to go with the white color, or we can go for our color sampler here and create a color. So I'm going with white because our, other slide scenes also have a white color. You can, of course, create different scenes with different colors, different characters, whatever you want to do. So I have added this. Then we can add effects to it. So I'm going to do that. We can add a writing effect if we want. For example, when something is written with a hand, let me show you how it looks. Let's say I select this one, and if I add it, it will be added to my scene here, and the text will be written. So I'm going to select the text again, and we can add effects to it by just going to these settings. In effects, and for now, I'm gonna go with, okay, we have pop effects. I'm gonna go with this one. All right, click on enter and it will be added, the pop effect. Okay, our text has been added. We have arrange option. We can change the font, of course. So that's what I'm gonna actually do. Let's actually go ahead and change the font. I'm gonna go with the same font that my other slides have, and I will be going with something like this. Okay, let's go with this one. We have our text ready. Moving on, we can go to the character. So I actually do not want to add a character into my slides, but let me actually show you how you can add characters. So you can just click right here and it will show you like a girl or a man with different expressions that we can add. For instance, if I add like this person right here, so you can just click on it and it will be added. And I can now make them bigger and place it here. We can of course change the color if we like of the character that we are adding. In my presentation right here, in my invitation, I do not want to add a character, so I can just delete this one. I'm gonna click on the settings and then we can just we can right click and delete it. We can also bring it to back, bring it to front by just clicking on the right click. Like you right click and you will get this menu. I'm going to click on delete. This is how you add characters. You can check them out on Powtoon. You can see a lot of different characters available. We can create our own character as well by adding different elements to it, by adding different expressions to it. You can see welcome to the character builder, and we can create a character ourselves. We can add like a face, we can add an appearance to it and everything. Moving on, we have props. So the props are going to be some emojis and then hand gestures. We have flags, office material, medical, different things, stickers that we can add to our presentation and to our invitation right here, the video that we are editing. So this is actually pretty good, and a lot of them are available for free. So you will be able to use Powtoon for free with a lot of different elements. Then we have some shapes here. In shapes, again, we have overlays, we have different shapes available, call to action. So if you're editing a video for maybe YouTube and you want to add some call to action to it, you want to add like subscribe to the YouTube channel or like or comment, something like that, you can add that too. We have shapes here, and I'm gonna search for, let's go ahead and search for maybe a snowflake, snowball, snowflakes. Let's go with this shape. Okay, so we have our elements here, so I'm gonna add this one, and you can see this is what it looks like. I'm gonna add this one. Let's add another one, like a smaller one, and place it here. So these are going to be the snowflakes. Similarly, I'm gonna go with few others. Okay, so we have star. So I'm gonna search for star. Let's go with this one. This one right here. We can add it. It's a star. So this is how you add different props, and you can place them wherever you want to. You can change their color, you can lock something when you add it, you can swap it. Then we have like a flip it, we have effects option, color effects. Then we have settings. In settings, again, we have variation, we have swap, flip, opacity, effects, arrange, link, and lock. When you lock something, then you won't be able to move it and you have to unlock it. So you can see this is like my third scene that I'm creating. This story is actually not looking that good, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click and click on delete. You can copy and paste something as well if you like. You can add different effects to your text that you have added. You can add different effects to your elements, the props that you're adding, and it actually looks really good because Powtoon allows you to create professional videos. So this is how you will add like different elements. For example, this one, you can see two text has been added. Then we have these things right here. Then we have a star. We have some snowflakes in the background. The color has been changed. So this is how you create, a scene using all of these different options. You can see we also have audio. So what you can do is you can search for audios here, and we will be able to add music, add a voiceover, and add music again. We can also select from some free music available on Powtoon. Similarly, we have videos right here. My videos, where you will upload video from your computer, my recordings. Then we have some of the free videos available. In shapes, again, we have a lot of shapes available that you can choose from. Then we have images. In images, again, you have my images, where you can upload an image or select from premium or free images available. And then as I showed you, we have characters, and props are actually an important thing when you are checking out Powtoon. You can use different props for different purposes and create special videos, professional videos. Once your video is done, what you can do is at the bottom right here, you can see we have different scenes and different props that have been added. And let's say I want to move something from one place to another, so you can actually adjust the size from right here. We have music, then we have our preview option that allows us to watch the video that we have created. So you will be able to see what you are creating on a Powtoon, and it will show you each scene one by one. So you can see we had our first scene, then we have second, and then we have our third scene added. So you can see I added snowflakes at the end. So what I can do is I can actually place them from the start so that they're actually, added from the start. Okay, perfect. So I'm gonna just move it right here, and then we can actually add them for a longer period of time. You can also adjust the size of a slide that you are creating from this option, and you will be able to create more than one scene. You can select horizontal, square, or vertical video from here. Then we have some grid option, zoom in, comments that you can add. Once you're done with the video, you can also share with team members or your friends. Then you can go to the export option here, and you will be able to download it as MP4, download image, download animated GIF, create video page, get it to the YouTube, download PPT. So all of these options are available. I'm gonna download it as MP4, or we can also download it as GIF or PPT. There are more options as well, so this is actually pretty good that we can download our video in many formats using Powtoon. This is how you export a video and you use Powtoon as a complete beginner. This brings us to the end. I hope that I was a big help to you guys, and now you know how to use Powtoon as a complete beginner. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.